using your personal power strip or one is provided in the trailer, make sure the switch for the power strip is on the on position. In most cases, there will be a light indicator. Try turning the switch completely off, then turning all the way to the on position. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check the outlet on the trailer. If it's a GFI outlet, it will have a reset button in the middle. Reset the outlet by pushing in the reset button. You should hear a click once the GFI outlet resets. Some GFI outlets have a light indicator once they turn on. Now you should have electrical power working. If your GFI outlet is not resetting and you are not getting any power in a section of the trailer, the next step is to check on the breakers on the electrical load panel that is usually located outside of the trailer in a compartment. Once you find it, open the electrical panel's door, and you will see 2 rows of breakers. Every section is labeled for easy identification. Most of the breakers should be in the on position, with the exception of the water heater tanks. If one of the breakers is tripped, you should see one of the breakers a quarter of the way to the on position. To restart it, turn completely to the off position and reset by turning it all the way to the on position. Now you should have power in your electrical outlets.